No, not that, but
Fill this out. And then give me your email, SC email, and then
September 17th. Location is on. Rotation is on. Another glitchy day.
I like the voice of this one.
So you have a cool story?
No, man.
I don't know.
You don't know?
That's pretty cool. The first time he had surgery, it was because he helped someone fell off the back of the truck and turned his foot all the way around so it was facing backwards and landed on it. So then they put a plate and screws in to fix it. But when they put the plate in, they pinched the nerves, so it tore up the nerves underneath, so we had to have another surgery. Then when he went to that surgery, he was supposed to have a second part to it, but he had a sore on his ankle, and they couldn't put the camera in to it, so now he has to have a third surgery.
I do.
Yeah, because the guy said that he had to get in the scar tissue because he couldn't put the cameras in to get it.
She's still
Right after the surgery.
Sounds like you get it done through a military army doctor. I didn't say military, I said army. That's a difference a little bit.
Army doctors don't really do the thing. Sorry to say, but they don't.
No, they're like, you know, because she knows the army will take anybody. So
Yes.
that's how I got it.
Okay. I wish they would take me, but I know they won't.
You got bullets in everything.
I know. Well, you never know. They accept everybody.
If you had epilepsy as a child and you outgrew it, maybe. But you had to be 5 years off your medicine.
Well, I technically did have it as a child. Did I outgrow it? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know why we have two, but the army has somebody to,
Because it was somebody's bullet point.
yeah, somebody's getting sent for the next star or trying to get his full bird or whatever. or
Well, it seems kind of weird because it doesn't really go towards civilians when they teach it.
this one,
I'm like, if I hadn't been in the military, I probably wouldn't know half
wouldn't
the
know,
stuff.
yeah. So I like the JPL better.
I'm gonna try both of them.
Yeah.
I gotta know which one to use, so I'm trying to plan which one to do.
Yeah, so the intro, way too long. Yeah, way too long. Oh, it's the holiday coming in today?
For like 30 minutes.
Okay, well that's the time when well, if you see him before I do, can you get the fuck out? Thank you.
If he knows where he put it, he may have lost it.
Wow.
So I don't know. It's been a while since he had it. The summertime had it.
Any PDF?
I know, I did too. That's why I got it.
Oh, but yours is good.
I'll see you later.
I already did that. Oh.
have mercy.
How is it?
Eh, doing well.